Hello, my name is Pastor Bagizi. I'm here to have an interview on this position that you guys have. And my major is computer system engineering, and I graduated from Arizona State University. Um, yes, that's why I'm here. Thank you.
Okay. Who helped you to decide who you wanna be?
That's a good question. The reason why I became who I became, it was because of some of the professors, some of the teachers. They helped me figuring out exactly what I want to be because I told them exactly what I like, and based on that, they were able to help me.
Why do you want to become a computer engineer?
I want to become a computer system engineer because one, I like the technology, today's technology. I really love to see how things work, and that's one of the most important thing. And then I like to see how things, when they're connected, they can become something very amazing.
What are your long-range goals?
My long range, after I'm done with my software system engineering, I would like to become a manager of maybe a company or have my own business.
How successful are you in your career?
My success, I don't know how we measure my success, but I think I'm successful enough because that's the reason I'm here. I'm applying for this position because I think if I'm given a chance, I can actually show how successful I can be.
What development tools have you used?
Development tool that we actually use, our school used most of the whole software development tools such as Visual Studio, Java, MathWorks, MATLAB, etc.
What source control software tools have you used?
The source control that we use, we actually have what is called Dimension. It's a PVCS. It's actually a company that produced the software is called Serena. Yes, we actually use that. I use the Dimension. Yes.
Can you describe a time when you were able to improve upon the design that was originally suggested?
Yeah, actually, when in my company, when I used to work, there was a time that there was a lot of work, unfinished work, because one of our leader decided to move on and go work somewhere else, and I was put I was put in charge of keeping it up with the project to improve it. So what I did, I take the existing design. Me and my team, we looked at it, and then after that, I was able to actually come up with a plan that will actually make it efficient from the previous one.
What languages have you programmed in?
I programmed in C++, C, Java, C Sharp. I also did use some scripting language such as JavaScript, PHP, and the database. I also know some queries on MySQL or SQL.
What interests you about this job?
What is interesting me about this job is really related to what I used to work on, and then I think I'm the very best fit for this position, because if I were to be hired today, I don't think I would even have to have much of the training, because my current job, I work at school, I do exactly what this job is required.
What automated build tools or process have you used?
So far, we haven't used any automated except some of the batch commands that we use. But I wouldn't call that I was part of it. It's just some tools that we use already been there. But yeah, we use some batch file commands.
How does your career help you in your daily life?
My career helped me in my daily life as a it's to me it's who I am. It's something that I live for. I mean, I would like to be part of this technology's cutting edge. You know, be part of that team that make the world go forward.
How many days do you work in a week?
I work 5 days a week.
What will you do if you don't get this position?
If I don't get this position, I will keep working hard to look for more opportunity like this one. So, and if I'm not given a chance to be in part of this team, I will just keep going, looking forward to meet something that I can be best of.
What did you like or dislike about your previous career?
I did not like. I did not like it. I like everything. I did not dislike anything out of my career for so far. Everything I've been doing, everybody was being nice to me, good. I mean, a professional way. So I'm just trying to change because I think well, from where I am, I need to move up to another position such as this one I'm applying. So I did not dislike anything from my previous job.
What were your responsibility in your job?
My responsibility actually was a development. We have this a qualifications test toolkit that we actually run. So when there is a code generated, we generate code from a model because my program is a model-based development. So what we do, we design a model. From that model, we generate code. And from the code that we generated, we have actually to qualify that code. Qualification goes hand in hand with this verification. How do we qualify code? We qualify code because some of the program that we actually design, they need to have a software. Like those softwares, there's some set of requirement need to be done. You know, there need to be some checkup. So we have to run a qualification test to prove that it's been certified. That's what I do.
What major challenge and problems did you face? How do you handle them?
Most of the problems that we do face is actually sometimes you develop models and then you know that you actually run the test, and sometimes there's some failure. The reason the fix that I did, we came up with some in-house scripting that we actually came up with, where we actually help out the model in an early stage to let us know, oh, the model you're actually developing, they're going to be some kind of issues, so it's better that you fix it now. Yes, that's how we do.
What are your salary requirements?
I don't have no salary requirements. For me, I think I need just to, as an engineer, I just need to be part of that team. So I'm not here to be greedy, look for money. I need to work, and then based on my achievement and based on my work ethics, that will define my salary.
Who was your best boss and who was the worst?
To me, I don't think there's no such worst boss or worst or best boss. To me, if you work, you do your homework, you do you're supposed to be doing. I think every boss will be a good boss. But if you don't do your work, every good boss will be a worse boss.
How long have you been working on your career?
I've been working for my career for about 5 years.
Are you the best person for this job?
I think if I'm now the best, I'm one of the best because I think I qualify for this good job. As I said, I saw the requirements, I saw the job descriptions. It matches my criteria. So I think my criteria is really up to where I need this job, and I think we match now to be here. So I think I'm the best for this job.
What are your goals for the future? How do you plan to achieve those goals?
Yes, I have short-term goals, long-term goals. Short-term goals is first to be able to find a job that I think is good for me, such as the one I'm applying today. And from there, maybe 5-10 years from now, I would like to go into management. You know, be able to work with the team. If I can manage to to learn the management skills, where I can be able to lead a team of intelligent people, engineers such as people like me, where we can actually move up and make the company move forward and then achieve all our goals. That's my